Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very good day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you download Bgmi in Android. So basically it is banned in India, but you can download it. At first, just go to Play Store and download a VPN. I'm downloading 1.1.1.1. So I have already downloaded it. I'm now just opening it. Connect the VPN. After the VPN is connected, now just go to Google on your phone. Search for Bgmi download APK. So after searching, just go to the very first website up to down. Now just click on the green download button. Now just click on download anyway. Here you can see the APK is downloading. So guys, this is how can you download Bgmi on Android phone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.